Hey guys, Dragonfly Etching here. Ever wondered how we avoid cutting our fingers like that? Well, yeah, you see the bandages there. So what I'm going to do is make myself a nice little vise. I don't have to hold the blade. There it is. Follow me as I show you how to make this. If you haven't already, please do like, subscribe, comment. If you're enjoying this, bam the like button. Okay, I'm just measuring the diameter there to get the radius, which is half the diameter, as you know. Measure that for 3 or 4 points to give you the center point. What we do then, we just bang a screw in there, and that gives us the centre point to work from to draw our circle. Now, unless you're a woodworker, don't try using the string and pencil method. You will end up coming up small, because you'll probably tie it too tight to the screw like I did, and it will also wind itself around the pencil. This is not a very good idea. Use the correct tool, which is a woodworking ruler, but unlike this tool, don't use the wrong part. I'm using the square in the middle because I'm a complete tool. There's the right part. It says pivot on the ruler, and you'll be able to pivot that around your screw beautifully, giving you a nice circle. What I'm doing now here is just marking out some saw cuts, so I don't have a big plank of wood. I just have a nice little square. Unfortunately, I didn't film that bit, so you've missed me playing with the circular saw there. Here we are with the router. I'm getting that ready to go. Screw the router bracket to your center hole, and that allows the router to make circles. This is a very scary tool, one of the scariest tools I've ever used in my life, and I am a trained engineer. Never run a router backwards. It is dangerous. The work will flip out, the bit will break, something like that. Horrible things will happen to you. Anyway, here we go. We've made it. We've now, as you're about to see, I've made myself a Lazy Susan. Woohoo! There we go, Lazy Susan. And now what I'm going to do is just attach a couple of bits of wood, couple of bits of scrap wood, screwed down just to secure the knife. That way I don't have to handle any blades. And, you know, sometimes when you're etching, you have to pull the knife towards you and lean across the point, so I'm not going to get stabbed in the stomach anymore. Thank God for that. So no more plasters, no more stabbing into my stomach. Hope you've enjoyed this. Very simple, quick, easy make. Please enjoy. Please like, subscribe, comment, get involved. Thank you very much. Like, comment, subscribe. We do respond to all comments. Get involved.